Can't afford a trip to Greece? That's okay, because today we're going to show you our recipe for Greek-style turkey burgers that will have you saying "Oppa" in no time. Coming up. Hey, welcome back to Adrenaline Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today at the grill, we're gonna show you how to grill a delicious Greek-style turkey burger using the Slow N Sear and Kettle grill. And just like always, I can put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this cook. So to start making our turkey burgers, we're first of all gonna need to make our patties. So we're gonna take a large bowl, and to that we're gonna add our turkey meat. And then to that, we're going to add our red onions, our garlic, our breadcrumbs, and then our parsley, our feta cheese, and then we have a little bit of salt and dried oregano. Put that in as well. 1 egg. And lastly, we're going to add some fresh cracked pepper. And when you're adding your pepper, just add it to taste. And once your ingredients are all together, you're going to get in with your hands and mix it all together. Once your mixture is put together, we're going to portion them off into 7-ounce patties. You'll notice that when you're making these patties, your mixture is a little more sticky than your traditional beef burger, and that's completely normal with turkey burgers. You're going to want to do your best to form the shape of your burgers. There's no need for a dimple in the middle since we're reverse searing, but we will lightly coat them with olive oil so they're easier to transfer and flip during the cook. Now that our turkey burgers are formed, we're going to place them into the fridge while we get our grill set up for cooking at 325 degrees. Our grill is now set up for cooking at 325 degrees, and we did this by placing a half a chimney of fully lit briquettes into the Slow N Sear on top of a half a chimney of unlit briquettes. We do this so we'll have enough charcoal left to get a roaring hot sear zone going towards the end of the cook. Our bottom vents are about 3/4 open and the top vents are about 2/3 closed. And since we have nice clean smoke coming out, it's now time to get our burgers onto the grill. We are placing them indirect on the opposite side of the Slow N Sear, and then we're going to place our leave-in thermometer into one of our burgers. Once our probe is in, we're going to close the lid and begin cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes. And just remember that the cooking time will vary depending on how thick you make your patties. So our burgers have now just hit an internal temperature of 100 degrees. And so we're going to open up the lid, take a quick peek, as well as give them a flip just to help promote some even cooking for these turkey burgers. Once that's done, we're going to continue to cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 140 degrees before we finish them off with a quick sear. While we wait for our burgers to reach 140 degrees, let's take a look at this tzatziki sauce that we made earlier for our burger topping. This is real easy to make, and you do not want to skip this sauce because it's that good. Basically, we grated cucumber and combined it with some Greek yogurt, mixed in some salt, lemon juice, garlic and dill, a little bit of sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. Again, the full recipe for the tzatziki sauce will be in the description box for you. So our burgers have now hit 140 degrees, and it's now time to put the final sear onto the outside of these turkey burgers. To do this, we're going to open the lid and let the coals warm up for a few minutes. If there are any hot spots, grab a pair of tongs and move the coals around until the heat is even. Once your charcoal is ready, simply spin the Easy Spin grate so your burgers are over the sear zone. You're going to sear those burgers on both sides for about 2 minutes per side with the lid on. And at the 1 minute mark, we're going to swap the burgers around so they sear evenly. After 4 minutes, we should have nice color on both sides, and our internal temperature should be at 160 degrees. And we're approaching the 4-minute mark, so we're gonna get these burgers off. Our burgers look good and our internal temperature is reading right at 160. And so we're gonna get them off the grill and we're gonna build our burger. So our burgers are done and off the grill, and we're gonna build them 2 different ways. First, we're gonna build our classic burger, beginning with our bun. We're gonna place a little bit of that tzatziki sauce that we made up onto the bottom. Then the next thing we're gonna do is take some of our lettuce. We're gonna place that on. Then we're gonna top that with our turkey burger. Next, we're gonna grab a slice of our tomato. And then on top of that, again, we're gonna place some of our tzatziki sauce. Could put a nice spoon on top of that tomato. Then last thing we're gonna do is top it with some of our olives. Close it up, and that burger is all done. That looks incredible. I can't wait to dive into that one. The second way we're gonna make our burgers is by making a crisp lettuce wrap. So what we're gonna do is take our lettuce and place our turkey burger directly onto the lettuce on the bottom. Next, we're gonna grab, again, our tomato, place that on top. We're gonna take our tzatziki again. We're gonna build it just the same way. A scoop of that. We're gonna top it with some of our olives. And finally, we're gonna take our last piece of lettuce and place that on top as well. Wow, those look amazing. I can't wait to try them. We built our burgers and I can't wait any longer. I need to cut into one of these and give it a taste. Wow, this is gonna be really good. Whoa, that looks awesome. Let's give it a taste. Now this is a burger. It's flavorful and juicy, and that fresh tzatziki we made just gives it that Mediterranean feel, and oh, it's awesome, guys. This burger is juicy and flavorful, and with that freshly made tzatziki sauce, it will have your friends and family coming back for seconds every single time. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as well as leave a comment down below letting us know what you like to put on your turkey burgers. I'm Jabin with Adrenaline Barbecue Company, where we didn't invent the kettle, we perfected it. See you next time.